Hello Pisces, welcome to the channel Crystal Butterfly Tarot. Here we are seeing general messages for you from November 1 to 15th. Messages may or may not resonate. If these do not resonate, go and check for sun sign, moon sign or Venus sign. If they also do not resonate, please try to check in other tarot channels. We are checking messages for Pisces in the month of November from 1 to 15. What is there for my Pisces? What's there for my Pisces people in the month of November from 1 to 15th? I see happy family. You are reconciling with your family. You are traveling and spending good amount of time with your family. You'll be doing video calls with your family. You'll be taking advice from a senior person in something. Maybe you're talking to your dad about something. You're discussing about your dad, or you're talking to your dad or an uncle, whomever it might be, Pisces. You're feeling happy. I see you happy in the month of November. Good emotions, happy emotions. What's there for my Pisces in the month of November from 1 to 15? Ace of Wands. Okay. Some of you Pisces, maybe you will be getting very good ideas, or you want to implement some new ideas now. Maybe if you are already an empath or a tarot reader, you might be starting in new channels. If you are painter, you will be drawing. If you are singer, you will be writing songs. Okay. And I also see if you are trying to conceive, there are chances that you will be pregnant. A good happy family time, Pisces. If you already have kids, your kids might be entertaining you. Finally, a good reading for my Pisces in the month of November. What else is there for Pisces in the month of November? Oh my god, Four of Wands. I strongly see some of you are getting married, or if you have a question, the answer is yes, go for it. Very good time, Pisces. Family reconciliations, and you are spending a very good family time after a long time. You will feel so refreshed and happy. What is there for my Pisces? What's there for Pisces in the month of November 1 to 15th? Oh my god, awesome. Six of Pentacles. You will start feeling that there is some kind of balance that you were missing before. You will do the equal give and share that you were not doing before. You want to provide a financial stability to your family, or you will be doing some kind of charity. You will raise funds, or you will be giving money to some fundraisers. Now you feel happy about something. You will feel refreshed after a long time. Maybe if you were not what do I say, I feel there was some kind of monotony and bored feeling that you had in October. Now you feel joyful in November, a bit joyful. You feel that you are also saving some amount. I see that you are maybe planning for tour. You want to go somewhere. I strongly see that you want to enjoy. Yeah. Or if you are you will be playing with kids or talking to kids. Yeah. What else is there for my Pisces? Again, Page of Wands. You will be having a very good time. Your person might be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You will be talking to them. A good chat or good text or a happy call. I see that for you. Oh my god. 10 of Cups. Happy family. You will be discussing about family, marriage, something like that. Lot of love for you, Pisces, in the month of November. 1 to 15th is a very good period for you, Pisces. Not even one negative card. I am so happy for you. Also, you will be a bit energetic after so long. After a lot of boredom, now you feel working. Now you feel enjoying. Now you feel like doing. You feel like creating something. Maybe you are a content creator, maybe you are a photographer. See, a lot of passion for something. You want to start something as soon as possible. If you are a designer, you want to design. I see a lot of passion for your work that you are trying to do, Pisces. So these are the messages for you from November 1 to 15th. Let me check in Moonology cards what is there for my Pisces from November 1 to 15th. What is there for my Pisces from November 1 to 15th? Oh my god, we have seen everything related to family here, and I also see you and your loved ones are safe. You feel you are safe around your family, safe. Your loved ones are safe. You might be speaking to your lover. Your love interest may be a Cancer whose date of birth might be in July. Yeah, I strongly see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. You will feel very happy. November is a very good time for you. I feel Pisces. Let me throw dice and give you an angel number message. You can go and search in Google for that angel number. That may resonate to your situation, may not resonate. If it resonates, comment down below what that number means. Let me roll dice for you. What is there for my Pisces in the month of November from 1 to 15? Give me an angel number. The number is 3241. Angel number 3241. Okay, Pisces, let's meet in the next video. Bye for now.